Today, we're bringing an all-new Redmi Note 11 series, devices that rise up to the challenge. Let's take a look at the first set of devices. Now that's the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Redmi Note 11 Pro, the 108 megapixel powerhouse. Why don't we check it out?
Hey everyone, I'm TJ. Now Abby just introduced our 108MP powerhouse. And I don't know about you, but to me, a powerhouse means something that's powerful across the board. So, it's gotta have a bold design, powerful camera, leading display, elite performance, and of course, some insane charging. So let's see if Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro can live up to its name. Let's start by checking out the bold new design with standout colors and powerful new design features, giving Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro a whole new look and feel. First, let's check out those challenge-worthy colors. Graphite gray is classic yet slick. I love the sophisticated yet powerful vibe it gives off. That was the pristine polar white. It's cold, but soft, bold, but welcoming. And the gorgeous Atlantic blue is unique to our Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G model. It was inspired by the look of refracting sunlight on the water surface. It's an insanely cool look, perfect for those beachside summers. And last but not least, Star Blue, unique to our Redmi Note 11 Pro model. It's a color where the details really make the look shine. Now the revamped design on Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro gives off a powerful, bold, pro feel. With all new flat frames, a powerfully stylish camera module, and glass back, built onto a light and slim body. And of course, it also includes some of the design features we know and love, like a super convenient and safe side fingerprint sensor. Next up, a powerful camera, built for detailing your rise to the challenge. Now, smartphone photography has become so important in my life, and apparently to our Redmi Note community as well. We've collected a huge amount of inspirational smartphone shots that highlight how our users have risen to the challenge. Like this incredible photo of Erebor Ruth, taken by longtime Xiaomi community member and photographer, Kali Brown. Kali fought through doubt from others, and even himself, before rising to the challenge of committing to growing his skills as a smartphone photographer. Well, personally, I'm definitely glad he stuck with it, because this photo looks amazing. Now, Novak is another Xiaomi community member, and a huge fan of our Redmi Note smartphone capabilities. Novak takes incredible photos detailing the lives of his subjects, like this photo of his close friend Stefan. As it turns out, Stefan, aka Stanley, is also a Xiaomi fan and creator himself. He's a part-time graphic designer and full-time awesome BMXer. And together, one of their goals is to share their story and influence others to rise to the challenge. So just like the amazing Xiaomi community members, we believe everyone deserves to share their story. Whether it's a life-changing adventure to challenge new horizons, or simple moments and memories with loved ones, we want you to capture those important details that make your stories come to life with a powerful camera. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro are bringing you an incredibly powerful 108MP main camera. What does 108MP mean? It means 108 million pixels packed into a huge sensor, which is typically only seen on the highest-end flagship devices, like our own Xiaomi 11 and even some competing devices. So what we're doing is we're bringing the power of 108MP to Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro, allowing you to paint your stories in incredible detail. Now, let's check out some of the awesome shots we've taken with 108. This photo, taken with 108MP, looks gorgeous as it is. And even as we zoom in, our 108MP shot still holds its insane level of detail. Just look at the sharpness of her hair, or the stitching on her sweater, or in the crispness of the flowers and branches. But the power of our stories are in those up-close and personal details, right? And 108MP blows away any of the competition in the mid-range, especially when it comes to capturing your story with detail. So that's Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro's flagship level display. AMOLED. 120 Hz AMOLED. That means super smooth, bright, high contrast, rich, immersively amazing, and comfortable. Perfect for all the content you love to read and watch. So what do you think of Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro's elite performance? Well, I think it's fast. That's 5G fast, 8 gigabytes of RAM fast, UFS 2.2 write booster fast. But it's also undeniably powerful with the all-new Snapdragon 695 and MediaTek Helio G96. So that was Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and 11 Pro's powerhouse battery and charging. Combining a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery with turbo-fast 67-watt charging to give you an incredible entire day of battery in just 15 minutes charge. We also introduced some Redmi Note firsts, like MMT battery and turbocharging, kept cool by our liquid cool technology. This is all meant to power you through your day. Lastly, these incredible features that we just talked about are wrapped up in a complete experience. We're giving you all the features you know and love. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro clearly rises to the challenge of giving you more than what you expect from a mid-range phone. Dual speakers, headphone jack, great haptics, NFC, and so much more. So to recap, that was Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro, the 108MP powerhouse. Two amazing devices that easily deliver on our promise of bringing flagship level tech to the mid-range. Like a powerful 108MP main camera, 120 Hz AMOLED, 67-watt turbocharging with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, as well as flagship level performance, all wrapped up in an incredibly stylish, bold design. Now, you probably think that these powerhouse devices come in at a pretty hefty price. I mean, it shares so many qualities of a true flagship device. But we're rising to the challenge once again of giving you powerhouse value. Well, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G will be available from just $329 for the 6 plus 64 gigabyte variant. Now, availability and prices may vary between markets, so be sure to follow your local social media channels for more information. Here's that comparison again, but with the prices included. Pretty incredible, right? And that's not all. We have two more variants for Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, a 6 plus 128 gigabyte variant and 8 plus 128 gigabyte variant for $349 and $379 respectively. Now, as a really special surprise, to really rise to the challenge of giving you ultimate value, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G will be available at an early bird price of as low as $299 for the 64 gigabyte variant and $329 for the 6 plus 128 gigabyte variant and $349 for the 8 plus 128 gigabyte variant. This will be available from February 16th to 17th only on AliExpress, starting at 12 a.m. PST. So make sure to check in with your local markets for more details. Now, for Redmi Note 11 Pro, it also knocks the competition out of the water with incredible specs across the board and will only cost $299 for the 6 plus 64 gigabyte variant. Let's check out the comparison again. Just look at that value. And of course, Redmi Note 11 Pro also comes with two more RAM and storage variants at $329 and $349 respectively. And you guessed it, Redmi Note 11 Pro will also have an exclusive early bird price, starting at $279 for the 6 plus 64 gigabyte variant. Available from February 16th to 17th, only on AliExpress, starting at 12 a.m. PST. Again, it'll be available through a variety of global carriers, as well as via our major open channel partners as early as this February.